So you have the heatsink, nice piece of aluminum. You could probably get about 50 to 60 cents on the pound. The fan, you should remove it, keep it. They sell pretty well on eBay if you collect a bunch of them. Like for about 10-20 of them you might get 30 bucks, so I suggest you keep those fans somewhere else instead of scrapping them. Unless they don't work, then you should scrap them with your copper bearing motors. Let's see, we have a nice CPU here. Not really worth selling, but there's plenty of gold, and obviously there's gold under the aluminum spread plate. You get quite a bit of money for one of the, I think it's like $5 a pound on board sort. Again, if you're into the refining and whatnot of gold, take out the gold pins. I personally keep them on. I don't find it's worth taking that stuff out time-wise, even though it takes seconds. There's not enough weight in there to warrant ruining the CPU and losing all the value of the CPU. Because from getting $5 a pound, you end up getting less because you took out the gold. But again, unless you decide you want to refine and whatnot, it's very worth keeping that stuff. So let's get this side. Let's get to the hard drive. Sorry guys, all you guys are seeing is black now, but I'm new to this video stuff and I still haven't figured out a good angle. Alright. The hard drive should be coming out. Just remove that little screw there. You should be good to go. Let's take out the CD drive too. Since we're here on the other side. There goes the hard drive. So you have this hard drive here. If it works, it might be worth selling. You might get $5 to $10 for it, even though it's old. Some people are still looking for old drives. I did some math. A lot of people like to take the boards off because they're obviously valuable. You get about, I think, if I remember correctly, about $10 per pound or $5 per pound for the boards. And obviously you have the aluminum and whatnot in here. On board sort, you get about 35 cents per pound for the hard drive without the board. After doing some math, this board would probably be worth about, at most, 40 to 50 cents weight-wise. And obviously they give you 35 for this. For the whole drive, they give you 75 cents. So again, if you're not into refining your gold and everything, it's really not worth taking this out, I find. You just sell it as is and you won't waste your time, because time is money, that's for sure.